Introducing planning in Copilot for Visual Studio, public preview. Did you know you can now create smart plans that research your codebase, break down large tasks, and run them step by step, all while iterating along the way? How it works. Planning uses transparent tool calls to manage complex, multi-step tasks and automatically creates a markdown plan with steps, research notes, and progress updates as Copilot works. Why it matters. It makes Copilot more predictable and consistent, enabling smarter reasoning, dynamic adaptation, and deeper understanding of your codebase. What's next? This is just the beginning of planning-driven development in Visual Studio. Microsoft is gathering feedback to enhance Copilot with smarter caching, refined reasoning, and deeper project context. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.